To know the structure of the atom, there are so many atomic models were prepared and so many atomic models were initiated in previous days. In them, one of the atomic model is J. Thomson atomic model. So, in this atomic model, he compared the atom with watermelon. So, in his view, atom is look like watermelon. So, he says that atom is fully positively charged and electrons are embedded in that positive part. So, if you take watermelon, seeds are electrons and remaining red spongy mass is called positive part. So, here he explained that atom is look like watermelon. In this watermelon shape, this total part is positive charge, but this is evenly spreading in the whole atom. The whole atom is completely filled with positive part. And in this, the electrons are embedded like seeds which are embedded in the watermelon. So, if these are seeds in the watermelon, these are negatively charged particles. Remaining whole part is positive part. This whole part is positive part. Thomson atomic model. This is known as Thomson atomic watermelon model. Watermelon atomic model. And this is also known as apple pie pudding model. Apple pie pudding. Watermelon model, apple pie pudding. Another name of this model is raisin pie pudding. Another name of this model is plum pudding. This model is also known as mainly watermelon model, and another names of this model are nothing but apple pie pudding model, raisin pie pudding model, and plum pudding model. So, according to modern atomic theory, says most of the atom is having halons. Only center of the atom is having mass. But according to his model, Thomson model, total atom is having evenly spread positive part. Total atom is having equal spreading of mass. So this is the main drawback. And he says that this is a static model of electron. That means there is no movement. There is no movement of electron is explained here. So electrons are static, stable there. They are embedded in the atom. There is no movement for electrons. This is one of the drawbacks for Thomson model. So, the main drawbacks of this model are those are embedded in the atom in the positive part. So there is no movement of electron is explained here. So one more drawback is stability of this atom is not explained here. If the electrons and positive part are closely together, how the atom is stable, how the atom becoming stable. So this stability is not explained in this model. We can conclude that. So in this Thomson atomic model, he told that atom look like spherical shape and is having the radius about 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Then he compared the atom with the watermelon. In the watermelon, there is red spongy mass and seeds are embedded in that red spongy mass. He told that those red spongy mass is nothing but positive part and those seeds are nothing but electrons. He finally says that electrons, the negative charged electrons are embedded in the positive part of the red spongy mass. According to modern atomic models, this theory was wrong because these are having so many drawbacks like the total positive part is evenly spread in the atom. In the modern atomic models, the total mass of the atom is constant in the center of the atom. But here, the total mass is evenly spread and the total positive is evenly spread in the atom. That is the main drawback. This is static model. That means the position of the electron is stable. There is no movement of electron is explained here. No movement of electron is explained here. This is one of the drawbacks. According to modern theory says electron is freely moving but there is no proper position for electron. And finally we can say stability of the atom is not explained here. So how the positive part and negative part is closely combined together, how this atom is stable. this thing was not explained by J. Thomson atomic model. So and this model is also called as watermelon model, apple pie pudding model, raisin pie pudding model, and plum pudding model.